It's rare that a case on Radiopaedia will be published straight away. Much like writing a paper or a case study, the drafting process is a normal part of getting it right. Having a case and draft gives the user time to come back to their work, to make changes before it is visible to the public. Radiopaedia has a style guide for case studies. The style guide ensures consistency, accuracy, and overall ensures your case study is the best it can be. It is worth having a read of the style guide or at least keeping it open as you create a case. Cases that are pushed back to draft are done so by our editorial team to help you make changes before the case goes public. Peer review is an essential part of Radiopaedia and ensures all our content is accurate, up to date, and reflects well on the author. Let's have a look at a case that is pushed back to draft. Here is an email from one of the editorial members. These emails have valuable feedback that will help improve the case. The editor picked up some spelling errors, pointed out some changes, and even provided advice on how to improve the case. Click on your case to make the suggested changes. The first change was checking the spelling of the title and the findings. The second change was taking out the patient age in the presentation as it is already a part of the demographics. Now to add a short discussion to improve the teaching points. I am going to use this new annotation feature to highlight the finding. Now the changes have been made, reply to the editor letting them know. This will help speed up the process. If you have any questions, you can always ask them too. Remember, Radiopaedia is here for everyone and anyone. Our editors want to see your case published as much as you do. If you want to learn more about cases, head over to courses, free stuff and trials, and check out the How to Radiopaedia guides. They are a great way to learn the ins and outs of Radiopaedia and will help make your cases awesome. They don't take long, and they're free. We hope this answers some of your questions about cases. As always, reach out to the editor who sent you an email if you have any questions. See you on the edits list soon.